Can you believe it? I'm here at Kwatu with Lydia and we're just walking along the path and there's... Wat beteken die vir jou? Lydia, wat beteken die?
Hy beteken vir my baie groot Johnny. Want hy is op die reendroeber as hy loop.
Ja.
Dat daar al die vreugde.
Wat sê jy?
As hy so loop, dan weet ons die reën kom.
Die reën kom.
Want hy dit ook nodig.
Ja.
Sodat hy kan eiers lê.
Okay.
In die klammigheid van die grond.
Okay.
Sy gaatjie maak.
Ja.
En sy eiers in sit daar.
In die Kalahari.
In die Kalahari. So.
En dan kom die eiers uit. Hoe lank vat dit om die eiers uit te kom?
Ek dink dit vat omtrent so 'n maand en 'n half.
A month and a half.
Ja.
So Lydia is just explaining what it means when you see a tortoise. And in the bush, when they see a tortoise, it means that the rain is coming. Die reën kom, né?
Die reën kom.
So isn't that amazing? And I just came here to visit Lydia after being at this incredible event with the World Tribal Alliance. And it's eintlik 'n goeie tekening dat die nou kom.
Ja,
It's a good sign that the tortoise comes now. Wat is dit? Dit is groei, né? Die reën kom en dan dinge groei. So it's fertility, it's growth.
Ja.
Ja, sure. So this is 'n baie goeie tekening. So dankie dat jy vir ons vertel. So die naweek was dit baie mooi vir jou.
Dit was uitstekend geweest.
Ja. En jy het baie ceremonie gedoen. Lots of ceremony and it's quite incredible and so jy gaan nou terug na die Kalahari met jou hart vol vreugde en happiness. Ja, dis baie mooi, dis baie mooi. En Isak is ook hierso en jou kleinseun en ja, dis mooi, dankie. Okay. So ons gaan nou voort en die hele ding van die seremonie is eintlik om met die gees te connect om vreugde en peace in te bring, né? Yeah, to bring peace and freedom in to the collective consciousness. This is what the ceremony is about. And die eerste keer wat ek ceremonie met jou gedoen was by die boom in 2010, né? 2010 was the first time we did a ceremony. It was the first time I met you and I didn't know you at all. Ek het nie jou geweet nie. En dan sing jy, dan weet ek wie jy is. Then you sang and then I knew who you were. So I'm so grateful to you, Lydia, and you hold such a beautiful feminine energy. Dankie vir jou vrou energie wat jy hou, die gees van die vroumense op die aarde. Jy is 'n simbool van dit, né? Dankie. Ja, okay. Dankie. Ek is hier so nou and thank you, Lydia, for your teachings. And so what's happening now is we've come just to, because Lydia was in ceremony the whole weekend actually, an event here at Kwatu, and is going back to the Kalahari. And so I brought some things for her to take back with her that she's asked me, and also we get the crafts from her and we sell their crafts. And you can go to my website www.rockardgallery.com and see more there. And so these are all the eggs that we have here, which I'm going to be giving to Lydia and Isak, and they'll be taking them back to the Kalahari. So that's it, alles, né? There's all the eggs, ostrich eggs, and they'll make them into crafts. I also bought some rattles for the ankles, for them when they do the trance dance. This is the rattles. So dis baie mooi, né? Okay, so ons is baie dankbaar vir die gees hierso en dis 'n oomblik net om te connect en dit te deel met die mense. We're just sharing this video to connect with everyone. We'll post it. Ons sal dit op die Boesman se Facebook, die San mense se Facebook sit die Komani San bly waar jy is, né? Ja, okay. Dankie, né? Okay, gaan mooi.